In today's video, we will see how we can easily reconcile Mollie's payment gateway settlement reports with your website's order report, ERP ledgers, and bank account statements using Cointab reconciliation software. Our software enables you to automate data gathering from multiple sources, build custom, multi-party reconciliation workflows, and create dashboards to view and analyze reconciled and unreconciled cases. We will now show you the sample reports required for reconciling Mollie transactions, how to load the data, and how to view the reconciliation result. The first report required is your website order report in your own data format. This is how a sample website order report looks like with order ID, date, status, amount, etc. columns. The next report is your ERP sale tax and return tax ledgers, and this is how they look like with order ID, invoice number, amount, etc. We then require Mollie's settlement report, which will contain transaction type, payment ID, order ID, amount, fees, taxes, etc. The final report will be your bank account statement, which will contain credit entries from Mollie which should match the settlement amounts promised by them. This data set can be imported automatically on a daily basis using database connectors, APIs, SFTPs, and an email account integrations. Once the data is loaded and processed, you can directly view the reconciliation result and start analyzing your reconciled and unreconciled cases. Starting with the website report, it can be reconciled against your ERP ledgers, and any orders not recorded in your ERP can be highlighted. We can then reconcile ERP versus website and highlight any invoices in ERP for which the orders did not originate from the website. Next, ERP ledgers are compared against payment gateway settlement reports, and amount discrepancies are highlighted such as pending, short and excess payments and refunds. After payment verification, Mollie's charged fees can be verified against your business agreement to check if you are being charged correctly, and overcharging cases, if any, are brought to notice. Finally, the promised settlement amount is verified in the bank statement to complete order to cash reconciliation. We call all these verification line items as buckets, and by clicking any of them you can view all the transactions which are part of that reconciliation scenario. You can also view the detailed calculations for each transaction by clicking on the I button. This is a 360-degree page wherein in one glance you can see the reconciliation summary of a transaction against all the original data points from various reports. As you can see, the website order, ERP, and payment gateway transactions are all shown linked here. Once all the data are linked, we can calculate the expected amount as per ERP, the received amount as per payment gateway, and the difference between them. If the difference is 0, the order is classified in a reconciled bucket. Otherwise, it is further analyzed and classified in the relevant unreconciled bucket. All these transactions can be easily downloaded back in spreadsheets and further analyzed, as well as submitted to relevant teams for resolution. This is how easy and comprehensive our systems are. To automate your Mollie payment gateway reconciliation with your website and ERP, please visit our website www.cointab.in or write us an email at sales@cointab.in.